Memory is an integral part of our lives, shaping our experiences, decisions, and identities. But what exactly is memory, and why is it so important? Memory isn't just about recalling facts of our brains. They are deeply intertwined with our emotions. Emotional memories, in particular, tend to be prioritized for storage and recall. Our brains play a crucial role in memory formation and retrieval, with specific regions such as the hippocampus and amygdala taking center stage. You can think of the hippocampus as the memory hub and the amygdala would be the emotion center. What processes lead to the creation of memories, and how do we bring them back to mind? Memories begin with sensory input processed by specialized brain regions, such as the visual cortex for visual information, the auditory cortex for auditory input, and the somatosensory cortex for tactile sensations. From there, this information is transferred to regions like the hippocampus for consolidation, where it is integrated with existing knowledge and stored as memories through changes in the connections between neurons. When we are recalling the stored memories, neural pathways that were formed during memory encoding are being activated. They are sparked by cues or triggers, and the brain retrieves stored information by reactivating these pathways, allowing us to consciously access and recall past experiences. This process can be influenced by various factors such as the strength of the memory or the emotional context. Later in this video, we will explain how DNA and RNA also influence the recalling of our memories. But first, let's understand how emotions influence our memory. Emotions play an important role in memory formation. They act as tags, improving both the encoding and retrieval processes. Think of emotions as an energy boost for memory consolidation, turning ordinary moments into unforgettable impressions. When an event triggers strong emotions, the amygdala becomes highly active, improving the encoding of associated memories. Additionally, emotions can modulate the release of neurotransmitters such as adrenaline and noradrenaline, which can strengthen the consolidation and retrieval of memories. The events of September 11 serve as a saddening reminder of how vivid emotional memories can be engraved into our minds. This emotional imprinting isn't exclusive to humans, it's a survival tool found throughout all living beings, shaped by evolution over thousands of years. For instance, when a baby duck hatches, it instinctively bonds with the first moving object it sees, often its mother. This imprinting helps ensure the duckling's survival by forming a strong attachment to a caregiver early on. Which impact has stress on our memories? Extreme stress can seriously harm memory, especially in the hippocampus, a brain area crucial for memory formation. Over time, stress hormones caused by chronic stress can reduce the dendrites in our brain. Dendrites are tiny branch-like structures extending from nerve cells in the brain. They receive signals from other brain cells and transmit these signals to the cell body, where they are processed. They play a crucial role in communication between neurons and are essential for neural function, including memory and learning. The reduction of the dendrites makes it harder to recall information as time goes on, which can impact overall cognitive function. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between stress and cognitive health. But memory isn't a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. Which types of memories do we have? It comes in various forms, including episodic, semantic, and implicit memories. Episodic memory helps us remember specific events, like birthdays or vacations. Semantic memory is about facts and general knowledge, such as historical dates or vocabulary words. Implicit memory involves remembering skills or habits, like riding a bike or typing, often without conscious effort. But these are not the only types of memories. There are even more fascinating types, which all collaborate to guide us through our daily lives. Memories are like a network of pathways, constantly evolving and adapting over time. Imagine it as a film strip, with each frame representing a moment in time. But we can't oversimplify when it comes to memory reconstruction. As we mentioned before, memory isn't limited to synaptic connections, it goes beyond, involving changes at the DNA and RNA level. But how does DNA and RNA influence our memories? Neurotransmitters, core proteins, and epigenetic modifications all play crucial roles in this interplay of memory formation. Memory formation involves complex molecular processes, including changes in DNA and RNA. These molecular mechanisms play a vital role in shaping long-term memories, leaving a lasting impact on our brain function. Imagine DNA as a blueprint for building a house. When we make changes to the blueprint, it can affect how the house is constructed and its features. Similarly, changes in DNA can influence how our cells function and communicate, including those involved in memory formation. In technical terms, there are processes like DNA methylation and histone modifications, which regulate gene expression and influence synaptic plasticity, a key mechanism underlying memory formation. Now, let's talk about RNA. You can think of RNA as a messenger delivering instructions from the blueprint to the construction workers. Just like a messenger ensures that the right materials are used in building the house, RNA helps create the proteins needed for memory formation, ensuring everything runs smoothly. In technical terms, RNA is involved in translating genetic information into proteins essential for synaptic function and long-term memories, a process important for memory consolidation. In this video, we've just scratched the surface of how our memories form, involving a mix of brain connections, DNA, and RNA. Isn't it fascinating how our brains work? As we finish our exploration of memory, we're left with a remaining question, the mystery of consciousness. Even with our advancements in understanding memory, consciousness remains an enigma, an evidence to the limitless complexity of our minds. What role does consciousness play in shaping our perception of reality and our sense of self? What makes us experience things uniquely, and how does this relate to consciousness? Stay tuned. Next week, we will speak about consciousness, where we will explore the fascinating theories surrounding its nature and what it could be. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep remembering, keep questioning, and keep exploring the wonders of your mind.